Did you ever dream of a time when it would be commonplace for business people to carry a supercomputer in a pocket and consume massive amounts of data on touch-sensitive devices that are as thin as a pencil and lighter than your car keys? Now that businesses are pouring millions into mobile infrastructure, enabling their employees to remain productive and connected from anywhere, it's safe to say that we're firmly entrenched in the mobile computing era. So where does ERP fit into this new virtual world order? And what should manufacturers expect from mobile ERP solutions? Some ERP vendors have decided to leverage mobile technology with read-only apps that allow users to view some of their important business data. Although these tools can be very useful, they don't take full advantage of the potential that mobile technology offers manufacturers using ERP to run the business. So how do you move beyond these limitations? What if you could actually use your ERP solution from any web-enabled device without compromising the security, control, and peace of mind that comes with your on-premise ERP deployment? Now you can, with Max Anywhere. Max Anywhere is much more than a read-only mobile app for your exact Max ERP solution. It takes today's mobile ERP technology to the next level by allowing you to execute genuine Max transactions from anywhere with an internet connection and a web-enabled device. Enter quotes, conduct material transactions, receive POs, and more. All in real time, all connected directly to Max, and all completely secure. Imagine your top salesperson submitting an order directly from the customer's office with nothing but a smartphone. Your stockroom clerk using a tablet to conduct a cycle count right from a physical stock location. Or even your production manager checking in on all overdue shop orders from the road using just a laptop and the hotel Wi-Fi. Max Anywhere mobile sales, materials, and shop floor transactions empower workers to break free from the traditional desk-bound ERP user experience and help you streamline the order to build to ship process. This makes your entire organization more productive and profitable. And since no mobile ERP solution would be complete without analytics, Max Anywhere dashboards will keep your executive team focused on guiding your company toward its overall strategic objectives with the ability to monitor performance anytime and anywhere, instead of waiting for month-end reports. Max Anywhere is mobile ERP with fewer limitations, shrinking the distance between what's actually happening in your operation and the Max transactions that represent those activities. It puts the ability to use Max literally into the hands of your workers and allows them to do it from wherever you need them to be. Max Anywhere is Max from your smartphone on the road, it's Max from your tablet on the shop floor, it's Max from your laptop in your home office, it's Max from, well, anywhere. To speak to someone about how Max Anywhere can help you take advantage of the convenience, power, and utility of the mobile computing era, contact your Max account manager today.